Hey everybody, welcome to another After Effects CS6 tutorial. I'm your host, Buddy Blackford, and today we're going to start talking about animation presets and how you can save them and create your own presets for use. So what a preset is just a collection of effects, or it could even be masks or anything like that, where anything that you can basically copy and paste, you can save it as an animation preset. So the presets are generally found over here in your effects and presets menu. You can also find them up here in your animation, and you go to browse presets and you can find presets there. And there is a way to there's many ways to save animation presets, so I'm gonna go over a few of those ways so you can save your own presets for quick use. So if there's some things that you need to use repeatedly through your whole video that you're making, then save it as a preset and you won't have to go copy and pasting all the time. So what's going to happen here is I've just got some text here, and I applied two effects to it, fast blur and bulge. Now you can just apply the effects and not even do anything to them if you don't want to, or you can just add different minor or major transformation property differences here. So what I'm talking about is just moving these properties around. So I've got these two here, and I want to use these every time I have a text in my new composition that I'm making. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select these two like this, using holding shift or control, and then the first way that and the quickest way that I like to do this is to come down to this little page button here, and it says create new animation preset. Click on that and it'll bring you right to where you can save your user presets. Now if I just name this blur bulge or something like that, and you want to make sure you name no, I spelled that wrong. You want to be sure to name your presets something that you'll remember, so you can use them later on and remember what they are. So I'll hit save. Now if I wait for this to save, and now I can go ahead and use this preset again. Let me delete these off so we can throw the preset back on there. If I type in blur underscore bulge, it'll be under the user presets folder, and I can just drag that right on there again, and it's the same exact preset that I had. So there are a few other ways that you can save presets. I think there's 4 ways, so I'll go over each one of those. So we've got the page button right here that we can click on to save. Then the next one we can use is going up here to animation, save animation preset, and that'll bring us to the same area. And you can save your presets anywhere, but generally you want to just save them in the user presets section. Just makes sense, and I mean, unless, I don't know, you might have another reason not to do it, but this is the default one that everybody else is going to use, so just realize that. So I'm not going to save it again since I already have it. The next way to do this is to drag your whatever you want to make into the preset over to the effects and preset page here. So if I drag these over, you can see that there's the 2 rectangles, and I just drag it over here, and that way you can save it that way also. Now same thing, just save it as something you remember to use. And let's see, the last one, the last one is up here in this drop down menu from the effects and presets panel here. Make sure you have your effects selected or anything else that you want to have selected, and click on that and click on save animation preset, and to the same page as it was before. So those are the ways to save your animation preset, and in the next couple tutorials I'm going to show you the different things you can add into an animation preset. So thanks for watching this one, and continue to keep on watching to check out how to use animation presets even better. So see you guys later. Have a good one.